Hello friends, today we are going to learn English workshop of unit number 4.5, the last lesson from standard 9th English. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 9वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 4.5 द लास्ट लेसन या पाठाचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासणार आहोत. चला तर मित्रांनो, आपल्या आजच्या सेशनला सुरुवात करूयात. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फाइंड द मीनिंग ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स फ्रॉम अ गुड डिक्शनरी. खालील शब्दांचे चांगल्या शब्दकोशातून अर्थ शोधा. आन्सर, sawmill means a factory where wood is cut with machinery. Persian means German inhabitant of Persia. Apprentice means a person who learns some skill needed in his or her job. Nuisance means annoyance. Cranky means irritable. Hold fast to something means to keep believing in something firmly. At one stroke means in one single attempt immediately. Might means physical strength. Next question. Question number 2. List the people and their occupations mentioned in the story. या कथेमध्ये उल्लेख केलेले लोक व त्यांचे व्यवसाय यांची यादी तयार करा. Answer, 1. Little Franz, student or narrator. 2. Young Hamel, teacher. 3. Watcher, blacksmith. 4. Classmates, students. 5. Persians, soldiers. And 6. Villagers, former mayor, former postmaster. Next question. Question number 3. Find 5 words ending with ing and 5 words ending with ed from the lesson. या पाठामधून ing ने शेवट होणारे 5 शब्द व ed ने शेवट होणारे 5 शब्द शोधा. Answer, words ending with ing. ing ने शेवट होणारे शब्द. Answer, wondering, seeking, thinking, making, learning, scolding, writing, gazing, sliding, sitting, going, etc. Next, words ending with ed. ed ने शेवट होणारे शब्द. Answer, started, passed, hurried, reached, frightened, called, happened, sounded, opened, and jumped. Next question. Question number 4. Find 5 examples of commonly used past participles from the story. या कथेमधून नेहमी वापरल्या जाणाऱ्या past participles 5 उदाहरणे शोधा. For example, said, learned. Answer, saw, came, got, put, knew, over, forget, heard, and listened. Next question. Question number 5. What is the meaning of the following words and phrases in the passage? Choose the correct alternative. खाली दिलेल्या शब्दांचा व वाक्यप्रचारांचा पाठामध्ये काय अर्थ दिलेला आहे हे खाली दिलेल्या पर्यायामधून शोधा. A was in great dread of. Option 1 was in great hall. 2 was in great demand. 3 was afraid of. And 4 was angry with. Answer, was afraid of. Question B, did not know the first word about them. Option 1 did not know anything about them. 2 did not care about them. 3 knew all the words except the first word. 4 had not learnt them by heart. Answer, did not know anything about them. C, terrible iron ruler. Option 1 a great king. 2. A ruler made of poor quality iron. 3. A magic ruler. 4. Ruler with which the master hit the student hard. Answer: ruler with which the master hit the student hard. Next, D. Got a little over my fright. Option 1. Got very frightened. 2. Got something because I was frightened. 3. Became little. 4. Got less frightened. Answer: got less frightened. Next question. E. What a thunderclap these words were to me. Option 1. The words came as a shock. 2. He shouted the words at me. 3. There was thunder and lightning. And 4. The words were accompanied by claps. Answer: the words came as a shock. Next question. F. She put off learning tomorrow. Option 1. She prepared for learning. 2. She did not learn at that time. 3. She cancelled tomorrow's learning. And 4. She studied the word tomorrow. Answer: she did not learn at that time. Next question. Question number 6. Fill in the following blanks using proper words from who, when, what, how or why. खालील रिकाम्या जागा who, when, what, how किंवा why यापैकी योग्य शब्द वापरून पूर्ण करा. खालील प्रश्नांची उत्तरे आपण डायरेक्ट पाहणार आहोत. A. She started jumping for joy when she heard the news. B. You must tell why I must not do it. C. The person who is making the speech is my friend. D. They wondered what had happened to him. E. You must show me how to mix the solutions. And F. I shall tell you when it is time to leave. Next question. Write a letter of thanks to your English teacher. Thank him or her for everything that he or she did. तुमच्या इंग्रजीच्या शिक्षकांनी तुमचे इंग्रजी सुधारण्यासाठी जे काही केले आहे त्यासाठी त्यांचे आभार मानणारे पत्र लिहा. Answer. संदीप पाटील, 27 मेन रोड, राजारामपुरी, कोल्हापूर 416101, 21st March 2022. Dear Patil sir, I want to express my sincere gratitude for all the efforts you have taken to improve my English skills. At the beginning of the academic year, I was worried as I didn't understand how to study English and improve my English reading and writing. But while taking activities of every lesson and poem, you boosted my courage and confidence to speak, write and read English fluently. You laid a good foundation of each and every student of our class. So I am truly thankful for the guidance you have given throughout the year. Your obediently, संदीप पाटील. अशा पद्धतीने आपण हे पत्र लिहू शकतो. Next question. Question number 7. Write a short note on your mother tongue and the attempts you make to study it well. मित्रांनो, तुमची मातृभाषा व तुमची ती मातृभाषा चांगल्या प्रकारे शिकण्यासाठी किंवा आत्मसात करण्यासाठी तुम्ही कोणकोणते प्रयत्न केले त्या प्रयत्नाविषयी संक्षिप्त उतारा लिहा. Answer. My mother tongue is Marathi. It is spoken all over Maharashtra. The moment when I heard the first Marathi word, I have been learning this language till today. I learned it from my parents, grandparents, neighbors and my Marathi teachers. People say Marathi is rich in its literature. By reading Marathi books, novels, newspapers, magazines and by listening Marathi news bulletins, I improved my vocabulary. I haven't taken any special efforts to learn this language as I learned it from my surroundings. Next question number 8. Write points and counterpoints on the following topics. खाली दिलेल्या विषयावरती परस्पर विरोधी मुद्दे लिहा. Question. You should study all subjects in your mother tongue. म्हणजे तुम्ही तुमच्या मातृभाषेतून सर्व विषय शिकले पाहिजेत. Points. 1. Mother tongue develops a child's personal, social and cultural identity. 2. It makes learning more easy and interesting. 3. It gives you clarity in what you learn. Counterpoints. 1. It is very difficult to translate every concept in that particular language. 2. Mother tongue is not medium of instruction in the higher studies. And 3. Learning of new languages becomes slow and interrupted. Next point. You must memorize the rules of grammar. तुम्ही व्याकरणाचे नियम लक्षात ठेवणे आवश्यक आहे. Points. 1. It makes learning of the language easy. 2. It helps in solving grammar questions. 3. It helps us to understand linguistic dimension. Counterpoints. 1. It is better to understand the rules than memorizing them. 2. Application of the language becomes difficult if concept is memorized. 3. There is a risk of forgetting the memorizing. And 4. A lot of time is required for memorization. Next question number 9. Why was Franz sad? Franz दुखी का झाला होता? Answer. When Franz came to know that M. Hamel was living, he realized that he had not learned French, his own language, properly, and now they will start teaching German. He was also sad thinking about the condition of young Hamel, who was leaving the school after 40 years of the faithful service. Next question number 10. What should people never lose even when they lose freedom? मित्रांनो, लोकांनी स्वातंत्र्य गमावले तरी सुद्धा कोणती गोष्ट गमावता कामा नये. Answer. Even when people lose their freedom, they should not lose their own language, their culture and their beliefs. अशा पद्धतीने विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 9वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 4.5 द लास्ट लेसन या पाठाचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासलेला आहे. तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि आपल्या चॅनलला अजून सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा. आज आपण इथेच थांबूयात. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.